Yes, the team here is just robots. There's a bunch of robots everywhere. There's another one over here. Right? For like the columns. It's a high-sense robot. Oh wow, it actually moves too. So it's not a statue. It is walking and moving around. It's pretty cool. Smart to be. Alright guys, so I am over here at Rokid. Wanted to stop by. I see there's a lot of people, a lot of attention. All eyes are drawn to Rokid, and I'm here with a representative from Rokid to tell us about what this smart glass is, how it works, what are some cool features about the glasses. I'm gonna try it on myself and give you my view of the glasses, but I'm sure it's gonna be fantastic. So I'll pass it over to Angelica, and Angelica is going to give you more in-depth analysis of the glasses while I'm trying this on.
This is Rokid booth, and we just launched our newest edition product, which is Rokid glasses, and we added a lot of functions like translation, navigation, teleprompter, recording, notifications, and glass pay, calls, user guide, and tutorial. It's all combining in this apps. I will show you the navigation functions first. So basically, you're just setting up the destinations, and you can see the wave guide guiding you to the destinations. It tells you to turn left or right, where is the next block, how many meters away from the next block or something, so you won't get lost. You don't have to put your phone on your hand all the time. It's especially when it's freezing cold. You just set your hands free. You see it?
So right now I'm seeing the road navigation. I have one here. I'm seeing the road navigation right now. It's telling me where to turn. It's following me around. So wherever I turn my eyes, the navigation is visible there. And I can still see what's happening around me. So it's like a dual vision that tells you where to navigate to, and then you can see anything that's happening around you. So it doesn't hamper your vision as you are using these glasses. So this is the navigation feature. What's some of the other features that we can demo and explain to the audience over here?
Okay, next I will show you the translation functions, and it's a real-time translation. We're using Microsoft. So right now I will speak Chinese to you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 所以呢，现在我说的每一句话都会实时的显示在你的眼睛上面。然后这是实时的翻译。我不知道这是你第几次来 CES 了？这次来 CES 有没有什么比较期待的产品呢？
Wow, so everything that you said I could repeat in English, and correct me if I'm wrong, you said every word I say will be displayed in your eyes in real time, and then in real-time translation, as I'm reading it, it actually converts that cadence, and it's following me around. So you can have a live conversation with someone that's translating a different language and still be attentive to your surrounding, which is pretty cool. That I've seen some other glasses. XREAL has a glass I reviewed yesterday where the vision is completely blocked, so you have to actually be more immersed with the tech. But here you have that ability to continue to focus on what the task you're doing and have the translation right in your eyes. Right in your eyes. I also want to say the speaker is pretty good, really good quality speaker.
We have a built-in speaker, and it's directional.
Directional speaker, yeah. It feels surround sound speakers on it. And I also noticed that it's very lightweight. So it doesn't, the other smart glasses that you try on, there's a little bit of weight to it. Sometimes it falls forward. Here it's sort of lightweight. It fits really snug behind my ear.
Yeah,
and
it's only 49 grams.
49 grams. So I don't have to worry about if I'm running, if I'm in an active sport, this falling off. It's pretty lightweight. Do you have any information on the charging capability?
Sure, yeah, if you're charging for 20 minutes, it will last for 6 hours, the battery life. Yeah.
So 20 minutes of charge and you get up to 6 hours of glass usage. And in terms of video content, is that video content available on the glasses?
Of course. Just say, hi Rokid, shoot a video for me.
Hi Rokid, shoot a video for me. Oh wow, so it did understand my prompt, and right now it's recording a video on the glasses.
And we also have a video button on top, but you can using your own agent built in.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
maybe on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I see there. So over here there's a manual button that you can push to record video and end video
And also take
and
photos.
take photos. So video and photos still, you can record it on the button at the side, or you can use the LLM to guide you towards doing the video and
Yes.
photos.
And
It's
you
pretty
can
cool.
also do like scan to pay.
So everything, I just want to pivot now to the app. So everything you can do on the glasses, you can also
Yeah.
do that on the app. And
You can just say, "Hi, Rocket. Can you lower the volume a little bit?" Just you can do it for me.
not only is it intelligent, it looks pretty cool. Very similar to my Prada glasses. I look kind of handsome in this glass here.
You look great.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty cool design. It's not bulky. Some of the smart glasses are pretty bulky on your face. Here it's kind of really cool, very hipster design. And can you show us the app on your phone?
Of course.
So this is the app
is
that
the
powers a lot of the software.
the agent
This is the agent.
and also the application functions,
Oh, so all the,
navigations, translation, teleprompter,
yeah.
recording, notification, calls, paying, user guide, and also tutorial.
Awesome.
And also this is a gallery. Once you like taking pictures, you will download it inside your app.
Wow.
Yes.
And storage-wise, is there a storage capacity?
Yes, it's 32 GB.
Okay, so you get up to
Yes.
32 GB of in-glass storage,
Yes.
which you can upload to a cloud.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
cloud is gallery over here.
Perfect. So you
Just
can upload
showed
it
you.
to the gallery on your phone, and then you
Yes.
can free up some storage on the
Yes.
glass, which is pretty cool. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for
My pleasure.
educating us, Tech World, a little bit about Rokid. I must say it's a 10 out of 10. Really did not expect this design-wise. Really appeals to me. The speaker is really good. And the live translation is a real big hit with me because I travel a lot and sometimes it's hard to communicate. But having that live translation on the glasses and still being self-aware of what's happening around me, that's cool also. So really, thank you, Angelica, for giving us this demo. And I'll link here in the video description where you can go to click and learn more about Rokid. Is it available for purchase?
Yeah, see, we can like search it on like Chrome for our official website, and we have distributor. You can search it on Amazon. It's $599 here in US.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can search us on Amazon. I'll also link that in the video description.
Yeah.
All the companies I've reviewed today will have a link in the video description where you can click on and you can purchase it directly on Amazon.
Yes.
Awesome.